Hey guys, Jacob from DataDoe and welcome to the new video. And today we'll be talking about Amazon ads data, specifically about sponsored brands placement campaigns. In this video, I want to show you how you can track the ad sales, spend, ROAS and clicks by placement. So you can actually stop wasting your budgets for the underperforming slots. So now when it comes to ad placements, you have different types. We have the top of search, TOS. This is the ads that appear at the very top of Amazon search result page. They are very important because they have the highest visibility and those are usually the best performing in CTR and conversions, but also most expensive and most competitive. The second one is rest of search. These ads appear below the fold of search result pages anywhere after the top row. They have lower CPC, decent volume, but often lower conversions. And then product pages, the sponsored brands placements that show up on product detail pages, usually in carousel or banner slots. And also you have other placements. In this video, I want to show you a little bit information about that, how you can get this data, what exactly is there, and then how you can use the newest AI tool. So you can pretty much retrieve this information just by talking to the tool like I'm doing it right now in a ChatGPT style. So first of all, when it comes to Amazon ads, here in the documentation developer guides under reporting version 3 report types, you have placement and you have sponsored brands. Here you have base metrics grouped by campaign placement. Here you have a sample call. Now when it comes to getting it from the API, I've recorded another video with a full tutorial how you can actually set up your API, get access to it, create Python environment, and then pull the data, parse it, and display it. If you're interested in doing it in a programmatic way, I highly recommend you jumping to this video. And now let me show you how you can do it without coding experience, without knowing Excel, without knowing SQL, but literally just by prompting. When it comes to the data, I'll tell you that for every campaign and placement, you get impressions, clicks, spend, sales, ROAS, ACOS, CTR, CPC, placement type, campaign name, and marketplace. Now let me show you how you can get this data with a simple prompts. So we just released the newest AI tool in the Amazon space, DataDoe, where you can actually talk to your marketplace. We have 7-day trial, so you can actually check it out on DataDoe.com. And let's try the first prompt. Break down ad performance by placement for my top 5 sponsored brands campaigns last 60 days. Here we got the results. Sponsored brands ad performance by placement for top 5 campaigns. Here we have the first campaign, right? Top of search, other on Amazon, detail pages, and others, right? So here key insights. Top of search placements consider deliver high conversion rates and strong sales, especially for campaigns are getting this product. And here we have more details. Here we got the table, placement breakdown for top 5 sponsored brand campaigns. We have sales, spend, clicks, orders, placement. So you can actually see different placements, the impressions, the ID, and ad campaign name. And if you want, you can actually download this and send it to your team. Now, the most important thing is here that this is about prompting. So you can do a follow-up prompts, ask for details, ask how can you improve it, what to change, and DataDoe will actually give you the right guidance. Now let's check the other prompt. So which sponsored brands campaigns had the worst ROAS on product pages in the last 60 days? And we get the result. We have campaigns where we actually spend some money, but we got 0 sales. So definitely you can spot underperforming campaigns, cut them, or work on them to improve the sales, right? So you can again go deeper and deeper and optimize them using also various prompts here. All right, let's do another prompt. Show me total spend and sales for top of search versus product pages in the last 30 days. Here, for this account, in the last 30 days, we get detail page on Amazon, total sales, total spend, top of search on Amazon, total sales, and total spent. Okay, let's try one more. Which placement had the best CTR across all campaigns in the last 30 days? And bam, we got it. CTR by placement classification. We see here other on Amazon, clicks, impressions. Here, detail page on Amazon, clicks and impressions, and we got top of the search on Amazon. So clicks and impression, we got this breakdown. Now we can even do follow-up prompt like comment on this. So comment on this, what should I focus on? And here we got the key insights over past 30 days. Top of search is delivering by far the highest CTR 1.33 compared to the other ones. So hey, maximize top of search exposure, optimize underperforming placements, redefine keyword strategy, monitor cost efficiency, creative and format testing. Hey, we got some answer here. And again, you can continue the conversation, use your prompt skills to actually optimize your Amazon store. And that will be it for this short video. I just want to show you how you can retrieve this information from the Amazon without really knowing how to code or have any technical skills, but literally just by using natural language. If you're interested in using the tool, we have a 7-day trial. You can go to DataDoe.com. Thanks for watching. Let me know what would you like me to record next. Please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.